In this video, let's discuss as to how to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic series. Let's take up this question 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus and so on up to 25 terms. As the gaps between any two consecutive terms is 4, so it is quite easy to recognize that this is an arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is an arithmetic progression with, instead of commas between the terms, plus signs, showing that the sum, the addition of terms to be done. Well, to find the sum of this arithmetic series up to 25 terms, first we have to find the last term, meaning 25th term. Every term has a gap of 4 units. So, 25th term or last term can be easily found by writing first term and then adding 24 times of that gap 4, because one term is first term, no? You have to add 24 times of that gap 4 so that we arrive at 25th term, that is last term. So first term is 3 and 24 times of that gap 4, 24 into 4 is 96. So 3 plus 96 is 99. This is the 25th term or last term in the arithmetic series. Now you may be wondering, what next? This is what we know already, that sum up to 25 terms can be found by using the formula first term plus last term, and this sum is multiplied by the number of terms divided by 2, meaning half of the number of terms. So let's move on to first term is 3 and last term recently we have found it out, 99. So that is written in brackets 3 plus 99. This sum is to be multiplied by half of the total terms. Total terms are 25. So we are finding sum up to 25 terms. So half of that 25, meaning 25 by 2. Moving on, 3 plus 99 becomes 102 and 25 by 2 kept as it is. 102 into 25 in the numerator and whole divided by 2 can be written. So 2 can be used to cancel with 102. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 10 and 2 ones are 2. So 2 51s are 102. So 2 can be cancelled with 102. So 51 by doing that into 25. The product of 51 and 25 is 1275. So this is how we calculate the sum of certain fixed number of terms of an arithmetic series. Let's take up one more. This time it is 4 plus 9 plus 14 plus and so on up to 12 terms, meaning 12 terms of this arithmetic series to be added to get to the questioned sum. To find a solution to this, first we have to find the last term or the 12th term of this arithmetic series. Every term has a gap of 5 units. You may observe it from the series. You may subtract a term and its previous term to get to the difference, common difference, what we call gap. So that's 5 units. Say 14 minus 9 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5. So like that. Now, moving on to find 12th term or the last term. Following the manner in which we solved the previous problem, here we write first term plus 11 times of the gap 5. First term It is one term which is added by 11 times of the gap 5 takes us to 12th term. Well, first term is 4, 11 times of the gap 5, 11 into 5, 55. So the sum 4 plus 55 is 59. So this is the last term or 12th term. After this, you know what we are going to do. Now let's move on to find the sum up to 12 terms by using the formula. First term plus last term, and after this the sum to be multiplied by half of the number of terms, meaning n by 2, if n is the number of terms. Well, first term is 4, last term recently just now we have found it out, 59. So that is written 4 plus 59 inside brackets. Outside brackets we have to write n by 2. N is 12, so 12 by 2. Inside brackets 4 plus 59, that added becomes 63. 12 by 2, half of 12 is 6. So we get 63 into 6. So the product is 378. See, this is how we find the sum up to 12 terms of the given arithmetic series. It is to be noted that here the very extensively used SN formula, the sum up to n terms formula for arithmetic series, is deliberately not used because the problems have been solved keeping in mind the common formula, the simplest one a layman could follow and understand and enjoy solving such problems. Thank you all.